Hello everyone, my name is Mong, and I'm going to be showing you how to work my program today called Workspace Generator. So assuming that you have properly downloaded the files and ran a npm install to install all the node packages that are being used, you should see all these files on the left hand side um, within the directory. So before we start, let's open the directory within the integrated terminal. And before we run the code, let's just run some tests. So in order to do that, let's do npm run test. And when we do that, we'll see that there are 4 test suites and they all passed, and there are 19 tests total. All right, so that means everything should be working as it should. And so in order to start the program, let's do node index.js. And now it's going to ask us a couple prompts. So what is the manager's name? Let's start off with manager's name is Joe Smith. All right, what's his email? jsmith@gmail.com. What's his ID? Let's just make it easy. Start off with 1 and office number 101. And it's going to ask us if this is the manager, so we confirm. And let's add an engineer. So let's say Rebecca Jones, rjones@gmail.com. She's going to be ID number 2. And R Jones, and let's say her GitHub username is rjonecodes. All right, and let's add another engineer. Let's call them Manny. Think of the last name. Let's just make it easy on us. Manny Smith, msmith@gmail.com, ID number 3, and msmithcodes. Okay. Let's add one intern. So intern's name, Patricia Keys. Say her email is patrickkeys@gmail.com. ID of number 4. And let's say she goes to UC Berkeley. Cool. And why not? Let's add one more. Toby McGuire. I guess Toby McGuire is working here too. All right, tmcguire@gmail.com. And it's going to be employee number 5. And let's say Toby McGuire goes to UCLA. And let's hit done. Since we're all done with all these, done with everybody that we want to add. And now we're going to get a new file within the directory called index.html. So when we open it, we're going to see that everybody that we put down shows up. So we got Joe Smith as the manager, ID of 1, email. If you click on the email, it'll prompt you, it'll let you be able to send an email to him, right? And then Rebecca Jones, engineer, same thing with the email. If you click on the GitHub link, then, well, because Rebecca Jones is not a real person, if they were, and they had an actual GitHub username called rjonescodes, then it would send you to their GitHub profile, right? Oops. And we got Manny Smith, Patricia Keys, and Toby McGuire, right? And it shows all the information that we provided. All right, that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice day.